Why do many organizations fear that artificial intelligence will replace humans entirely? Why do some leaders treat AI as a shortcut to eliminate effort rather than as a tool to amplify capability? The truth is that AI is not a replacement for strategic thinking, creativity, or judgment. Instead, AI is a force multiplier, enhancing human performance, accelerating decision-making, and amplifying impact. In this video, you will learn why treating AI as a supplement rather than a replacement is critical, how organizations can integrate AI effectively, and why leveraging AI intelligently creates durable advantage in complex systems. Stay with us until the end, and don't forget to like and subscribe. 1. AI amplifies human decision-making. Artificial intelligence excels at processing data, identifying patterns, and executing repetitive tasks, but it cannot replace context, judgment, or strategic insight. Leaders who understand this use AI to expand their decision-making capacity rather than to eliminate the human element. AI provides faster analysis, predictive insights, and operational recommendations, enabling humans to focus on higher-order decisions that require intuition, creativity, and understanding of systemic consequences. Advantage emerges when AI and human intelligence combine, producing superior decisions faster than either could alone. 2. AI accelerates execution without replacing. Many organizations mistakenly believe that implementing AI means strategy becomes automatic. This is not true. AI can execute tasks efficiently, automate workflows, and monitor performance, but the strategic framework guiding those actions remains human-driven. Flexibility, judgment, and alignment with organizational goals must still be provided by humans. AI multiplies the speed and scale of execution, ensuring that strategic intent translates into measurable results more effectively than manual processes alone. Advantage arises when AI complements strategy rather than attempting to supplant it. 3. Force multiplication reduces cognitive load. Decision-making in complex environments is often limited by human cognitive capacity. AI processes large volumes of data, identifies correlations, and forecasts outcomes far faster than humans can, freeing leaders from routine analysis and enabling them to focus on interpretation and application. By reducing cognitive load, AI acts as a force multiplier, allowing humans to prioritize what matters most, anticipate second-order effects, and make higher-quality decisions under uncertainty. 4. AI enables I can detect patterns, trends, and anomalies across vast data sets, accelerating organizational learning. Unlike humans, AI can process feedback in real time, identify operational inefficiencies, and suggest improvements at scale. However, interpretation, experimentation, and implementation of insights remain human responsibilities. When humans integrate AI insights into decision-making and continuous improvement processes, the organization learns faster and more effectively. Advantage arises because AI extends learning capacity, enabling rapid adaptation and iterative refinement across the system. 5. AI supports evidence-based trade-offs. Strategic decisions always involve trade-offs. AI provides data-driven simulations, projections, and risk assessments that illuminate the consequences of different choices. Leaders can evaluate options quantitatively while applying qualitative judgment to align decisions with organizational priorities. 6. Integration prevents over-reliance. Treating AI as a replacement leads to over-reliance, complacency, and misaligned expectations. Systems fail when humans stop critically evaluating AI outputs or assume the technology is infallible. Force multiplication requires careful integration. Humans define goals, establish constraints, and interpret outputs within the context of strategy, culture, and incentives. AI is powerful, but without human oversight, adaptation, and judgment, it becomes a blunt instrument. 7. AI extends strategic leverage. AI increases the reach and impact of decisions. It can automate routine operational tasks, analyze market signals, and optimize resource allocation at scale, allowing humans to focus on strategic priorities. This creates leverage. One person or team can achieve significantly more impact than without AI. 8. AI enables faster feedback loops. Rapid adaptation requires timely feedback. AI accelerates the collection, processing, and interpretation of data from operations, markets, and competitors. Humans can then respond to deviations, emerging risks, and new opportunities more quickly than without AI. This speed allows organizations to iterate, refine, and course-correct with greater agility. 9. AI amplifies collaborative intelligence. AI is not only a tool for individual decision-makers, it enhances organizational intelligence. By providing shared insights, predictive analytics, and scenario simulations, AI enables cross-functional teams to make coordinated, informed decisions. Humans interpret and integrate these outputs to achieve alignment, anticipate ripple effects, and preserve coherence. 10. Human judgment remains irreplaceable. The deepest insight is that AI multiplies capability but cannot replace human judgment. Humans provide context, ethical reasoning, cultural awareness, and strategic foresight that AI cannot replicate. AI is a tool to enhance human performance, not a substitute. Organizations that treat AI as a force multiplier integrate technology with disciplined decision-making, clear priorities, and outcome-driven frameworks. Most organizations misunderstand AI, treating it either as a replacement for humans or as a neutral tool. The truth is that AI is a force multiplier, not a replacement. It enhances human decision-making, accelerates execution, scales learning, and amplifies impact. But strategic judgment, oversight, and alignment remain uniquely human. If this video helped you understand how AI can multiply your effectiveness without replacing your insight, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights on strategy, systems, and durable advantage. Thanks for watching, and remember, AI is powerful when it amplifies humans, not when it replaces them.